Hey Lord Shiva, welcome back to my YouTube channel Art Tub. If you like it, do like, subscribe and share. I have made this wooden key hanger with the help of pebbles. This is a wooden lock. It is available in wooden shop. These are the hanging hooks. You can get it from the hardware shop. Let's make a mark with a sketch pen. Make a hole with the help of nail and a hammer. Then remove a nail with the help of pliers. Apply oil to the hook's nail and attach it to the hole. You can rotate it with the help of pliers. Let's make a wooden texture with the help of POP, water and Fevicol. Take less amount of water and POP and Fevicol will be of equal amount. Mix it well and apply it on the wooden log. Apply it in a texture form with the help of palette knife. Making it in a wooden form. My POP work is over. Let it dry for few hours. Now I'm using pebbles. First of all, cover the base with the acrylic color or with the emulsion color. You have choice between two base color. Now I'm making a drawing of a tree. Now I'm using clay. This is a Shilpkar clay. It has a pack of 2. You can use clay any of your choice. Polymer clay, handmade clay or any other clay. Use 2-3 packs of clay. For Shilpkar, you have to mix it properly. I am almost done with my mixing. Let's make a tree branch with the help of clay. You can clean your wood with the help of vinegar plus olive oil. Apply Fevicol to stick the clay. Add other stamp. Making it in a form of wooden stamp. Making a hole with the help of brush tip. And applying lines with the help of knife. You can get these pebbles from the garden area, park, and if you live in a hill area you can easily get these pebbles. You can also get these pebbles perhaps from the gift shop. My pebbles are in a oval shape, so I have decided to make an owl and created a tree background for the owls. Let's make a drawing of an owl on a pebble with the help of pencil and apply the acrylic colors. I am applying flat colors on the pebbles. We will make outline with the black acrylic paint. Let's decorate with the dots of white color. I'm done with my pebble painting. This is the first and second one. Making a coloring on tree with acrylic colors using yellow ochre, burnt sienna and dark brown shade. We will give light, medium and dark shade to the tree trunk. You can also make your own design. If you have a round shaped pebble, then you can make faces. Mix all these three shades properly. Let's make a coloring on tree trunk with the same color scheme. At the back of wooden log, I am using dark brown shade and highlighting it with the help of gold metallic color. Making flowers for the trees using white and pinkish shade. Making leaves with lemon yellow color and a sap green color. Merge the shade of color properly. At some part making a flower birds. Making a cuckoo bird on a tree trunk with the help of white acrylic, pink and purple shade. Decorating the tree trunk with the leaves using lemon acrylic and sap green color. You can also add a ladybird with the help of clay on a tree trunk. Let's stick the pebbles with the help of Quick Fix, or you can use hot glue gun or Erudite. At the end we will use varnish so that it will have a glossy effect and protect it from the dust and dirt. Varnish take time to dry. It take almost 1 day for it's dry. Our work is ready. Now let's hang the keys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.